Hi, so I'm back to do a second review. The first one I gave them 3 stars because they did not package the item correctly, and so that review must be still up. This is a second review to let everyone know that even though they didn't package it correctly, there was no foam in it to protect it, nothing was broken, and by the way, I only paid $20 for this. I think 21 and change perhaps with the tax. Because it was a used one. Apparently somebody might have sent it back or whatever it may be. It only had a couple of scuffs that are like silverish on the inside of this ceramic plate there, or stone plate rather. So, but it works beautifully. I had it on the highest. Gets very hot. The plate here gets very hot, so be careful. Always use a mitten. I had a more expensive one before, and it had a kind of a mechanism that kind of closed in on both, where you never had to touch the hot plate. But this one you have to wear mittens, so no big deal. Everything works on it. Just to give you an idea that this part here is very thin. So when you remove the inner stone plate that holds the bowl, this part is very thin and flimsy, but it does its job. It heats up very high, and again, this gets very hot. As a matter of fact, I made tomato soup last night into today, so it came out great. It did wonderful, so I have no complaints about it. So if you don't want anything fancy and it's just something for you to cook, if this lasts me a year, I'd be happy. Hey, $20, you know. Thank you very much.
I received it, and I just today opened the box, and this is what I found when I took it out. Apparently, it was used. It's totally unfinished. It's dirty. Look at this. This is an old pot. How could they send something like this? You could see, and I turn it around. Also, it has scratches inside. And when you touch it, you could feel the lumps also. Look at all the scratches it has. Look at this. Look at this, all the damage it has.
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the first video of the Hamilton Beach slow cooker. And let me tell you, it is slow and it's a cooker. I use mine for, that didn't make sense. I use mine for paraffin hand bath wax. So that's what's in there now. And these bags you can also buy on Amazon to keep the device clean, so I can actually take out this scented wax and do a roast in there if I wanted to, and it wouldn't be all smelly and waxy. These bags are a great purchase if you do buy one of these units. Overall, for the price, highly recommended.
Funciona muy bien.
Funciona muy bien. Ya está un poquito sucio, pero eso pasa cuando se hacen frijoles. Todo en orden.